Good morning students. Today I am going to teach you chapter 6 in history. The name of chapter is Social, Economic and Cultural Impact of the British Rule. Hostile and unjust British policies. The British rule had a major impact on the economic, social and cultural life of India. British goods were allowed entry in India without paying any custom duty, but duty was levied on the Indian goods sent to England. This policy of British was called one-way free trade policy. Decline of Indian artisan, craftsman, peasantry. Decline of Indian artisan, craftsman, peasantry. Indian handicraft industry, which was famous all over the world since the ancient times, collapsed due to competition with British machine-made goods. The gradual disappearance of Indian rulers, who were the main customers of Indian handicrafts, also gave a severe blow to these industries. Thus, the British rule nearly destroyed the handicraft industry. As a result, more and more people started depending on agriculture. This increasing pressure on agriculture was one of the major causes of extreme poverty in India under the British rule. Introduction of plantation industries. Exploitation of peasants, excessive land revenue, demand and overcrowding agriculture led to stagnation and deterioration of agriculture. The machine age in India began with the introduction of cotton textile. Around 1750, India was the largest producer of cotton textile. Indian textile were sold in Southeast Asia, West and Central Asia. From the 16th century, European trading companies began buying Indian textile for sale in Europe. But the beginning of Industrial Revolution in England, wool and silk manufacturers of England began protesting